A normal man would put his guard back on. Tip of the day, is it a trick? Tip, yeah. A good tradesman always blames his tools.
What are we doing next?
Pulling the banjo out. That's a drum.
Yeah, I know. That's the banjo. No, the banjo is this.
That's the banjo, that's the brake drum. Back, brake. There.
What?
That's the backing plate, the brake's backing plate. That's a diff sender over in there. That's a uni yoke. There's a bit on the end.
Right.
These are the leaf springs. Lots of leaves when the GT guys like these. Woo.
Uno
What's
down.
that? Nasty.
Looks a bit screwed. It's broken.
It looks someone actually bothered to wire these. Let's do the other side.
Would we sandblast these?
What the hell is that? Yes. We shouldn't actually take that off too.
Oh. Got it.
Look, piece bolt's missing.
Okay, we got the diff out. We're gonna get springs out next. Up front. Front off. Have to sandblast all this inside. Hi all, we are at Heron Forbes. I can't really say it properly. It's Christmas Day today. We're getting a whole bunch of things, bead rollers, MIG welder. We're going to try and make some panels for the car. A whole lot of other tools as well, which we'll show you later on. Alright guys, so we've got loads of tools, a whole bunch of parts, body parts for the car. Very excited to unbox these and show you guys what we got. We're up in Brisbane at the moment, so we're just going to try and leave now and miss the peak hour traffic back to Byron. But yeah, we'll see you when we get home. Alrighty, we just got back from Brisbane. We went and saw Mustang Auto Parts up there, and they supplied us with a bunch of different parts for the car. Right. What's this part called?
It's called a bumperette, exterior bumperette panel.
We got a left and a right one.
Yep. It'll be beautiful. Beautiful.
We also got the radiator support panel for the front, which is going to replace this one.
G'day. Probably can't hear me, but I hope you can. Make it a rate that it's over there. I'm just doing a bit of rust work on the underside. We'll get those spot welds drilled out. We'll weld a new plate in there. We're starting the plate welding. A little bit we've got to repair along here. It's not looking too bad. So Josh is hard at it. You know, it is fun having your car on a rotisserie. I strongly recommend it. Everybody should rotisserie the car. Any car, all cars. It is just great fun to see a car and work on a car wherever you want it. Nice straight line. I want to make it easy to weld. Because I can't weld in a straight line, I thought I'd cut it crooked. I'm going to have to fix it with the FBI. Now that's brute force and bloody ignorance. That should do it.
Pecker.
Let your finger there for a second.
Yeah, it's really rusty in here, ain't it?
Yeah, we're going to have to pop that, undo this, and then I have to weld a new plate in there behind it. Well, that's sort of half good and half bad.
Trying to work on the car, but we're getting gale force winds and maybe a thunderstorm blowing in, which kind of puts a halt to us.
Quick talk about welders. There's my old welder, which is bloody buggered and had it and crappy to use, and I hated it, and it hated me, and we've got this definite hate-hate relationship going with it. So as a result, I give it the boot, and I got the newie, the Razor 205, and it's got some nice automatic settings happening here, and which is for wire feed and stuff, which is good for me because I'm a pleb when it comes to setting up those things nicely. And had a couple of issues with the friction and the wire feed. I had to make a washer for the back of it because the actual friction unit jams on the bolts out the back, which was sort of pretty average for $1,000, I thought, and the quality control. And fortunately they sell it to people with some mechanical aptitude, so as a result it gets fixed without too much fussing. Good morning all. It's a beautiful day in paradise. Really is a beautiful day. The sun is shining and the wind is down. It's been really windy lately. And the trees aren't even moving. The sky is clear, like always. Things you take for granted when you've lived in a city. Today we're going to finish off the plating there, and I think I'm going to replace, can we see it? Anyway, can't get the right light on. Oh, there it goes. This has had more hits than Elvis, this plate here, so we're going to replace it too. Easy job. Make it look fresh and new. That's the idea. And that's about what we want to do today. So we'll give you progress shots. Ta-da! Look at that. We're going to put a new one of these in. In fact, I've already even made it. Watch this. You want to see some magic? Magic. Ta-da! No. No. here we go. We've got the inner plates in. What a marathon. A lot of work. And we've made the last plate. Goes there like that. And that'll be welded. And then we're going to drill it and do the spot welds. And of course there too. And then job's done. You'll see it finished. It's just nice to get a bit of a progress. But this is, I don't know why Ford did this. Really, I was tempted to do that like that, cut that off like this, and flapping around doing nothing. But it'll spot weld to it, so maybe they just like it like that. Yeah. Anyway, it's genuine, so that's the way it came. Cheers.
Okay, so it's been how many hours today?
No, 8.5, 9 hours.
8.5 hours today. We've done this plate here, which you would have seen. This here over a few days really, but finished it off today. That is a lot of work for such a little spot.
Yeah, the good thing about it is the other side has got no rust in it whatsoever, so plus it got some debris caught in this and then got wet and just rusted out.
What do you reckon we do this one next?
Yeah, we're going to cut this plate out. It looks a bit thin, so we just thought put a new plate over it just because we can.
Alright. Well, we'll call it there, and next video we should do this hopefully.
Yeah,
Cool.
unless we change our mind, which is always possible.
Yeah.
And, it's mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Cheerio.
So.